No, I was supposed to move the queen, my bad. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. It worked out, boys and girls. Send me the. It's done. That's what y'all wanted.